Welcome back to the Dr. Medi Spa YouTube channel, where we talk all about things medical aesthetics, including the latest treatments and technologies. My name's Ellie and I'm the Regional Clinic Manager, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Emerald Laser, how it works, who's it for, and what results we can achieve with this groundbreaking treatment. So the Emerald Laser is a non-invasive and non-thermal fat reducing treatment. It's suitable for patients that are on a fat loss journey and wanting to lose overall circumference. It has lots of other well-being aspects to it, such as an increase of energy levels. People find that they sleep much deeper. And I think this is also because you're a lot more hydrated, because the treatment entails that you have to drink lots of water to help flush through those fatty acids. It's the only laser in the world that's been given FDA clearance for reducing fat loss in patients that have a BMI of 30 plus. It's a non-thermal or non-invasive laser that creates a temporary pore within your fat cell. Your fat cell will then leak out that fatty acid, and then it will exit the body through your lymphatic system. So it's really important that you're really hydrated so you can flush through those fatty acids. So we're not actually eliminating the fat cell completely or destroying it. It's still intact. We're just creating that temporary pore to shrink the fat cell so it gets smaller. And that's how you get that overall body circumference loss. With the Emerald, you can treat full body, and we do 360 treatments, so we're treating front and back. But studies actually show that even though we're treating one specific area, you'll notice that on other areas of the body that you start to get shrinkage of fat cells. So actually overall, it's a total body circumference loss. So the Emerald is really a treatment that will complement your fat loss journey. It's not an instead of. We still highly encourage healthy lifestyle, eating well. It doesn't have to be a diet, but just eating healthy and exercise and drinking lots of water. And the Emerald is almost like the Ferrari that will get you to the result a lot quicker. So the Emerald isn't a one-off treatment. You do need to have multiple sessions, and we recommend anywhere from 6 to 10 sessions. We space them out weekly, so you'll come in and have weekly sessions, and it will be your skin specialist that will let you know exactly how many sessions is needed. So when you come in for a body consultation, we will discuss all of your goals, what your lifestyle's like, and we'll put you together a tailor-made plan recommending how many sessions you may need and what your intervals are. Generally is weekly with Emerald. The first thing that we do is we'll take your measurements, we'll go through consent form, we always track your weight. It doesn't actually make you lose weight, but it's more just to make sure your weight is stable, and also photos. Once we've done all of that, we then get you prepped, ready for treatment. We expose the area that you're having treated, we lay you down, you're very comfortable, it's quite relaxing, and the treatment itself is actually non-contact, so there's no heat, there's no pain, or there's no discomfort. It's fairly quite a relaxing treatment. So treatments last for half an hour. However, we always like to add on the lymphatic suit at the end, so that adds another 15 minutes. So your total treatment time is 45 minutes. To get the most from your treatment, when you're having Emerald, it's really good to get your lymphatic system as working as best as it possibly can in the 2 weeks leading up to treatment. You can do this by keeping your body hydrated. 2 litres to 2.5 litres a day is great. Also walking, so 20 minutes to 30 minutes daily. Obviously eating healthy as well. So if you do that in the 2 weeks leading up to treatment and throughout the rest of your course, your results are going to be the best that they can be. The Emerald Green Laser is a natural alternative for fat loss. It will aid you on your fat loss journey, and the way that the laser works is it creates a temporary pore within the fat cell. The fatty acid will seep out and emulsify, and then it will exit the body through your lymphatic system. At Dr. Medi Spa, we always like to couple your Emerald Laser with the pressure therapy suit, because the pressure therapy suit will help to move your lymphatic system more effectively and help with lymphatic drainage. So Emerald Laser is really, really good to combine with the Emsculpt Neo, because the Emerald is shrinking the fat cells and giving you fat loss and shrinkage, and the Emsculpt Neo is then building your muscle mass and giving you more definition. So if we think about maybe the abdomen area, if you're shrinking the fat that's on top of the muscle and then you're defining the muscle and contouring it, you're going to get a really lovely result. In combination with the M-Sculpt Neo, you then are building that muscle mass, defining that muscle, and also you're reducing the visceral fat, which is the fat that covers our organs. So actually it's a lot healthier when you are reducing your visceral fat. Some patients, we like to combine the emerald green with the Alma Prime X. Again, going back to emerald, you've got that reduction of some circumference, you've got the well-being side to it, and then with the Prime X, we're then going to focus on skin tightening, so it improves your elastin and gets shrinkage of the skin, so you get that tightening effect. Then we also have the ultrasound part, which again is working on fat reduction. So Alma Prime X with the emerald green laser is a great combination if we're trying to reduce fat and skin tighten. That when you're having your emerald green laser is that it's hands-free and there's no contact. So you can actually have some other treatments whilst enjoying your laser. Things such as facials, hydrofacials, chemical peels, LED light therapy. We often like to combine that whilst you're having your emeralds. It's like a 2-in-1.